It's that time of year again when we start to think about packing a shoebox gift for Operation Christmas Child. If you've never taken part before, then why not pack your first shoebox this year and help us to reach even more children with the love of God. Throughout the world, there are many children who may not get a single gift this Christmas. By packing a shoebox with simple gifts such as toys, hygiene items and school supplies, you could help Operation Christmas Child to transform the life of children by sharing the good news and great joy of knowing Jesus. So pick up a flyer from the welcome desk which gives you all the details you need to know, and maybe you could even consider volunteering at the Shoebox Packing Centre in Oldbury. For more information, speak to Dan. Young adults, listen up, because this notice here is just for you. If you like coffee, which I'm sure you do, and you like hanging out with some people, which I'm sure you do, then why not come and hang out with us at Costa Coffee at Castlegate on Thursday the 3rd of October from 6:30 p.m. Just a chance for you to hang out with some people your own age and enjoy some lovely coffee. So that's the 3rd of October from 6:30.
Please come to Devoted on the 19th of October. Tickets are £20 and that includes refreshments and food.
We'll have guest speaker Deborah Green from Redeeming Our Communities. You can get your tickets after the service or on our website. See you there.
This Friday at 1:80 it's United Praise, so everybody's welcome to come and join in. Why not come along and get yourself encouraged whilst encouraging the young people who will be preaching and leading the worship. That starts at 8:15 and it would be great to see you there. If this is your first time with us at Excel on a Sunday, then why not fill in a form at our welcome table and come and join us again soon. It'll be really great to have you with us here again. And if you want to check out more details about anything that's coming up in the life of Excel, any upcoming events, you can do that on our website, which is excelchurch.org.uk. And finally, there's no 6 p.m. service here next Sunday because we're taking the service at St Paul's in Gornal. You're more than welcome to join us. Just meet us there at 6 p.m. I hope you have a fantastic week and we'll see you back next Sunday for more Excel news.